What is up, Tenkenh fam? Get ready for a whirlwind of gaming news that's hotter than a freshly booted console. First up, we're diving into a creation so audacious, so mind-bending, it has to be seen to be believed. This isn't just a mod, it's a portable legend born from pure, unadulterated ambition, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible with original Xbox hardware. Next, we shift gears to something truly inspiring, a program dedicated to nurturing the next generation of gaming talent. Xbox Game Camp Africa is back, bringing a 12-week virtual journey designed to empower creators across the continent and turn their wildest game ideas into reality. Then, prepare your wallets because storage just got a whole lot more affordable. We're talking about Seagate's massive 2 TB Xbox expansion card, hitting an all-time low price that makes doubling your console's capacity easier than ever before, especially with Prime Day on the horizon. And finally, a word of caution for those diving into the latest Borderlands adventure on Xbox. Reports are surfacing of performance issues that degrade over time, and the developers are already suggesting workarounds. We've got the details on what's happening and how you might be affected. Stay tuned for all this and more, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. The ultimate portable Xbox, a modder's dangerous dream. Ever fantasized about playing classic Xbox titles like Halo without being tethered to a massive TV, all while embracing a touch of danger? Well, one dedicated YouTuber might have just turned that bizarre dream into a shocking reality. James' channel, a renowned retro console enthusiast and modder, has unveiled his most ambitious project yet, transforming an original Xbox into a fully portable handheld console, and the process was anything but smooth. In a 33-minute deep dive, Channel documented his incredible journey, which involved everything from getting zapped by electricity to meticulously dismantling multiple electronic devices. The final product is a testament to his commitment, a true Frankenstein's monster of gaming hardware, held together with an impressive amount of duct tape and sheer willpower. He masterfully integrated parts from an old iPod dock, creating a unique aesthetic that screams, hacked together, in the best way possible. After numerous attempts and a significant amount of tinkering, he succeeded in creating a handheld behemoth capable of running original Xbox games. But this isn't just about portability, it's about survival. The device features a spinning DVD drive mere inches from the user's fingers and face, adding a thrilling, albeit terrifying, layer of risk. Astonishingly, this cobbled-together marvel boasts nearly 10 minutes of battery life, powered by salvaged, nearly 20-year-old batteries from the iPod dock. And yes, for those wondering, it can even tackle demanding titles like Steel Battalion. This creation is a wild ride, showcasing incredible ingenuity and a fearless approach to modding. The internet is buzzing with awe and a healthy dose of concern over this dangerous yet brilliant build. Fans are praising James' channel's dedication and creativity, while others are marveling at the sheer audacity of playing such a device. It's a conversation starter, proving that the spirit of DIY gaming is alive and well, even if it comes with a few electrical hazards. This portable Xbox is truly something else, but our next story takes us from a singular creation to a continental movement. Get ready to discover how Xbox is empowering game developers across Africa in a groundbreaking initiative. Xbox Game Camp Africa returns to empower developers. For the third consecutive year, Xbox Game Camp Africa is set to ignite the passion of game developers across the continent, launching in Cape Town on December 4th. This isn't just a fleeting event. It's a comprehensive 12-week virtual program designed to foster talent, refine skills, and bring groundbreaking game concepts to life. Building on the success of previous years, which saw over 1,900 creators participate, this year's camp, in partnership with ID at Xbox's Developer Acceleration Program, DAP, promises an even more intensive and impactful experience. Professional game studios selected from across Africa will immerse themselves in a structured curriculum. They'll learn the crucial skills needed to develop game prototypes and vertical slices, receiving direct mentorship from the Xbox team. The ultimate prize? The chance to pitch their creations to ID at Xbox, potentially turning their ambitious visions into commercial realities. The impact of this program is already evident. Tenkenh, a participant from previous camps, has seen remarkable success after attending in 2023 and 2024. Benefiting from extensive mentorship, the team has recently released a trailer for their title, Huru, showcasing the tangible results of their participation. With its December 4th launch coinciding with Africa Games Week, Xbox Game Camp Africa is positioned as a pivotal event for the region's burgeoning game development scene. Its return signifies Xbox's continued commitment to supporting and uplifting game developers, fostering innovation, and ensuring diverse voices are heard within the global gaming landscape. From empowering creators to expanding your own gaming world, our next story is all about making sure you have the space for every adventure. Prepare for a storage solution that's not just bigger, but smarter and more affordable than ever before. Massive storage savings. Seagate's 2 TB Xbox expansion card hits all-time low. In an era where game file sizes are exploding into the hundreds of gigabytes, console storage is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. For Xbox Series X and S owners looking to keep their vast libraries readily accessible without constant deletion and reinstallation, Seagate's officially licensed 2 TB expansion card is now an unbelievably attractive proposition, especially with an all-time low price ahead of October's Prime Day. Seagate's expansion cards are designed to seamlessly integrate with the Xbox Velocity architecture, meaning games stored on them benefit from the same lightning-fast load times and features like quick resume that players expect from their internal SSDs. Unlike some other console storage solutions, installation is a breeze. Simply plug the card into the dedicated slot on the back of your Xbox Series X or S. No tools. No fuss, just instant capacity expansion. This means you can effortlessly switch between graphically intensive titles like Forza Horizon 5 and competitive multiplayer games like Rocket League without missing a beat. Currently, Amazon is offering significant discounts across multiple Seagate models. The 1 TB card is down to $130, but the real star of the show is the 2 TB version, now available for just $218, a staggering $142 reduction from its original $360 price. This represents a massive 39% discount, making the cost per terabyte for the 2 TB model significantly lower than the 1 TB option. Even the colossal 4 TB model sees a $70 price cut, dropping to $430. This deal is particularly impactful for Xbox Series X owners, who start with a single terabyte of internal storage. Doubling, tripling, or even quintupling that capacity with these Seagate drives ensures that players can download and keep all their favorite games installed, ready to play at a moment's notice. It's an essential upgrade for anyone serious about their gaming library, offering both convenience and incredible value. Fans are already celebrating the steep discounts, calling it the perfect time to finally upgrade their storage. The sheer value proposition of the 2 TB card at this price point is hard to ignore, making it a must-consider for any Xbox gamer looking to expand their horizons without breaking the bank. With your storage woes potentially solved, let's shift to a different kind of problem: performance issues plaguing one of the year's most anticipated releases. Prepare for a dive into the technical troubles of Borderlands 4 on Xbox. Borderlands 4 hit by performance woes on Xbox, developers offer workaround. Just days after its highly anticipated launch, Borderlands 4 is facing significant performance issues on Xbox consoles, with players reporting that the game's frame rate and responsiveness degrade the longer a play session continues. While initial reviews were largely positive, this technical snag is causing frustration for many eager players. Gearbox Software, the developer behind the popular looter-shooter franchise, has acknowledged the problem. In response to player complaints, studio head Randy Pitchford suggested a temporary fix, rebooting the game when performance begins to dip. This workaround, while functional for some, highlights a deeper issue that players hope will be addressed swiftly with a permanent patch. The problem seems to affect both Xbox Series X and Series S consoles. Despite initial mentions that hinted at potential PS5 Pro-specific issues. The nature of this degradation means it's not always apparent from the outset. Players might enjoy a smooth experience for the first hour or two, only to find the game becoming increasingly sluggish as they progress. This makes it particularly irritating, as it can disrupt immersion and gameplay flow during extended sessions. While not every player is experiencing these issues, those who are actively seeking solutions. Community feedback indicates a mix of reactions, from understanding the complexities of game development to frustration over what some perceive as a rushed release. Many hope that, by the time they jump into the game, possibly after waiting for patches or sales, these performance kinks will be ironed out, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable experience for everyone. From performance patches to massive storage deals, it's been a packed news cycle for Xbox gamers. But don't go anywhere yet, because we're about to wrap it all up with a quick recap and all the ways you can stay connected. And that wraps up another electrifying news roundup. We saw James' channel create the most dangerous handheld Xbox ever. Xbox Game Camp Africa returned to empower developers. Seagate's 2 TB Xbox expansion card hit an incredible all-time low price, and Borderlands 4 grapple with performance issues on Xbox. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Tenkenh channel for more, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Don't forget to drop a comment below with your thoughts on today's stories, and follow us on all our social media channels for even more gaming goodness. We'll see you in the next one.